Hi and welcome to shoulder flexibility class. So this one is going to be super short, but you will need some sort of strap, an elevator surface or yoga blocks for our shoulder stretches. Okay, so to warm up, we're going to just take a simple circles for our shoulders. Okay, so without overthinking, just making movement feel good. And change direction. Let's do 5, 2, and last one. Our next exercise is going to be for our lats, to stretch your lats. We're going to place left shin forward and other leg is tucked beside you. Okay, right fingertips gonna come down to the side and take a big stretch. Let's take it to other side. Okay, try to keep your sitting bones down. And one more time. Okay, spinning your armpit towards the sky. And take it to other side. Beautiful. And rise up. We're gonna switch legs. So right shin is forward. And let's take fingertips to the left. And again. Taking a side bend. Opening the right side of your waist. All the way from your lower back to your fingertips. And take it to other side. Okay, one more each side. And last time. Beautiful. Let's rise up. For the next exercise, we're gonna do shoulder flossing. So you will need a strap or some sort of material like towel or something else. Okay, so making sure we're keeping our ribs close, so we're not arching the spine as you do this exercise. Okay, so I'll show you what not to do first. Okay, so you don't want to be doing this. Okay, borrowing flexibility from your spine just to bring your arms behind you. What we're going to do, take your strap as wide as you need to keep the elbows straight. Okay, keeping your ribs knitted together. Okay, so my torso is now moving and I'm going to bring my hands behind my back and come forward. Okay, nothing else is moving except your shoulder joint. Okay, feeling the stretch in the chest as well. Okay, if you notice the elbows starting to bend, you need to make the distance longer, okay, between your hands. Okay, that will make exercise easier. Okay, so find your length of the strap that it's okay for you, and let's do 10 repetitions. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so always with precision. And last one. Okay, let's move that strap to the side for now. Interlace your hands behind your lower back, open the chest, and this time we're gonna fold over as you reach your knuckles towards the sky. Let's take 3 more breaths. And coming up, and we're going to do the same on our feet. Shoulder stretch, and if for some reason you're not able to interlace your hands behind your back like so, here you also can use the strap, okay, having a distance to keep the elbow straight. Okay, so I'll show you on your feet first. Okay, so that's option 1. If you still have lots of restriction in your shoulders. Okay, otherwise, without a strap, open it up and fold. Let's hold here for 3 breaths. Bending your knees as deep as you need to. Just concentrating on your shoulders. Head is relaxed. Last breath. And release. Beautiful, guys. For our next exercise, you will need some elevated surface to place your hands on top. You can use a blocks or just simply using your mat. Okay, so I'm going to place my hands on this little table, shoulder width apart, and my knees are stacked under my hips. So from here we're gonna take a variation of cat-cow. We're gonna drop the chest down and round, and again down as you arch, and down, belly is engaged. So you're basically arching and rounding the spine while you're still keeping tension, elbows straight. 2 more. And now we're just going to relax into the stretch, pressing the hands down and really allowing the shoulders to open, lower belly in, so we're not just using our lower backs. Relax your head, your neck. Let's hold here for 15 more seconds. And press back to take a seat. Okay, you can shake it out a little bit, and we're gonna do another round. So when you're ready, we're just going to take a passive stretch of 30 seconds. Placing your hands down, walk your knees back, and again, melting your chest down. Okay, round 2. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, press into your hands to come back out. For our next stretch, we're going to include our tricep stretch. So you might need to place your elbows on something softer. So what we're going to do, place your elbows shoulder width apart, hands like a prayer, and again walking your knees back and melting your chest. So your head comes through your hands. You can bring your hands behind your neck and just passively holding here, trying to relax into the stretch. And the best way to relax is using our breath. So if it feels really uncomfortable, you might want to back off a little bit in your stretch. Or if you feel like discomfort is still fine, you can handle it, just use your breath. To ease into it. Long exhales always really helpful. Breathing into your nose, exhale slowly, effortless breath out. Okay, one more deep breath. And coming back. Very good. And now let's combine both of those stretches where we worked extension of the shoulder and flexion of the shoulder. We're going to take a cow face arms, but without the legs. Okay, so right arm, elbow reaching up. So it's looking like this behind my back. My hand is in between shoulder blades. So maybe that's just option 1. You can stay here. If you want more, you can take your left hand behind you and see if you can reach your fingertips to clasp your hands. If you're not there yet, you can use a strap. Okay, my top hand and my other hand holding the strap from the bottom. Okay, if you can clasp your hands. Let's just stay here for 3 more breaths. Again, ribs knitted together, okay, so we're not arching. Shoulders stacked over hips. Last breath. And release. Let's take it the same to other side, again with a strap or without a strap. Left elbow towards the sky and your hand in between shoulder blades. Other arm reaching. For me, this side is much harder. Beautiful. One more deep breath. Gazing forward. And release. Shake it out. To finish off the practice, let's take a eagle arms, right elbow under your left. You can bind just once or maybe twice, hands as well. I'm gonna inhale, arch. Exhale, round. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. Let's change the bind. And again, inhale, we're gonna arch. and round. Arch and round. One more and round. Beautiful, releasing down. And here we have it, our shoulder super short routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.